everyone, so in this tutorial we're going to go through the new updates for the desktop app 2.0.0. We've got some bug fixes within this app, the main one being if you wasn't in North Virginia, then your files wouldn't upload. It was specifically kind of set up for that region, but we've changed that now. You can upload from any region in AWS and you won't have any issues. So anybody that had issues encoding your media and then uploading to AWS, this will now be resolved. This is also resolved with the uploader, okay, so you can upload to any bucket in any region now. And let's just talk about some of the updates. So some of the main updates here are the ability to resize images. Okay, so we've got some new tools here. Let's talk about, so you can normalize media. Now this just means if you've got very low audio within your podcast or your audio recordings or anything like that, then what you can do, you can simply go ahead and select your media, open it up, and then that will go ahead and create the best audio sound for your media. Okay, so it's as simple as that. You don't need to do anything. You can just normalize your media. Here you can resize images. So one thing we wanted to say is that normally when you grab an image from like websites like Unsplash and all these online free image sites now, they can be like huge images. Okay, so you can see this image is 5,859 pixels width and 3,906 pixels height. Okay, so if we open that up, this is going to be huge. Okay, this is a huge image. It's probably like 10 meg. It's not the sort of things you're going to be wanting to upload to your website, so we can simply just resize this to 1080 width and it will just keep the aspect ratio. Okay, so you could just go ahead and resize your images like that and this will give you a much smaller file size. Okay, so let's just open up just so we can see. So you can see it now, it's being resized here, but the file size is a lot smaller. Okay, another thing that you can do is we can actually crop images. So this is where you can take out a section of images. So I'm just going to select a different folder quickly. Okay, and we've got this image here, and let's say we wanted to just crop out this section here. So you have your specific aspect ratios here that you can enter, or you can simply drag out a section that you want to crop. Okay, so we can say we want to crop this section here, and then okay, and it goes off and it crops our images, and we use all these all the time. Like, are actually very useful for uploading things to your website and keeping the image file sizes down, so they are really useful. Here you can resize a video. Okay, so here you can come in, let's say we've got this video here that's 1080p. Here you can just set a width and height, or you can set a preset. Okay, so if we did kind of like a TikTok preset, then what it does is it actually resizes the video, but it adds padding as well. So if you notice with TikTok and other websites, Instagram, you can add text and captions. So you could simply upload this to your phone afterwards, and then you're good to go. So you can go ahead and just resize this video. Okay, and now the video is being resized. So if we took a look at that video, I'll just open it up in Finder. Okay, you can see the video has been resized. Okay, and it's resized to a portrait length. Okay, and again you can go ahead and crop a video. Okay, so we can go ahead and let's say we just wanted to crop out a section of this video. Okay, and then what we can do is we can say we want to crop out, let's say we just wanted to crop out this coffee mug. Okay, so it's kind of in that kind of area. Okay, we can crop. Okay, and if you give it a second to actually crop that video. Okay, so that video is now being cropped. Okay, so if I just go ahead and open up this video, you can see we've just cropped out this section of the video. Okay, so that's a simple way to crop videos. Now we can actually turn that into a GIF now as well, so you can create GIFs. Come in here and we can just go and open this up. Okay, and then what we can do is we can just we could narrow it down a little bit, but you don't need to, but you can select the range. So if you've got a full movie, you can select the range that you want to create the GIF from, and here's where you can set a width, but we're just going to leave it as is, and then create. So that goes off and creates a GIF image that you can use on your websites and you know, whatever you do with them on social media, etc. Okay, so just give that a second while that creates the GIF. Okay, so that's created our GIF now, so we can just, I'll open up the GIF. Okay, and now this is just our GIF image. Okay, and then what you could do is if you wanted to layer this over a video, with audio for YouTube or something like that, you could use the YouTube audio to video generator and have your GIF loop throughout the video. But that's pretty much it with the new update. As far as new functionality goes, obviously there's a lot of bug fixes in this update, so any issues you've had before with AWS, they should be resolved. If you have any issues, contact us on on the website, okay, under the support page.